Sometimes we already have a list set up in a spreadsheet like Excel, and really we want to create a list in SharePoint based on a spreadsheet. Where I'm sitting at the moment on the quick launch is in my site contents. And I'm going to go to the new option and I'm going to choose app. And the app that I'm after is import spreadsheet. Now I could look through all the apps, or I could actually type in this little box here, spreadsheet. And any app with that in its name will then be shown to me. I'm going to click this option here, which is the import spreadsheet app. Immediately asks me for a name for this list. So I'm going to give it the name customers. And this is really a list of our customers' contact details. Cool. And then I'm going to browse and locate the file that's got all the customers in it. I'm then going to grab that file. Excuse me for one moment. And it's called customers. And I'm going to go open. I'll then click the import button, and this will import the customer spreadsheet into my SharePoint. So once the import happens, then this appears. And basically you choose a range type. I'm going to change this to a range of cells. And it's suggesting that I want to select A1 to K92, which is actually correct. So I'm going to click import. And once the import's complete, I can see that I have in my site contents a list called customers, which has 50 items in it. If I click this particular list, I can see the 50 customers that I brought in from the Excel spreadsheet. And here they are here. And as I scroll down, I can actually view all these customers. So you can bring a list in from Excel. You might strike a few issues. It does require a web browser that does support ActiveX, and Internet Explorer is a website browser that does do that. It also, if you bring it through Internet Explorer, you have to have your SharePoint site set up as a trusted site. But if you use Internet Explorer and you set up your SharePoint site as a trusted site with a security setting of low, you should be able to import a spreadsheet as a list into SharePoint.